Well, it's day 173, 24 of August. Kind of waiting out here by the Green Mountain Road. I think it's mile 1112.4. Patty's going to pick up my pack and I'm going to slack pack today. I met Patty and Tiffany at Delaware Water Gap when I was at the ice cream shop eating the 2 hot dogs and my ice cream. They paid for my food and didn't know it. And well, then later on contacted me on YouTube. So they was wanting to help me out a little bit. So I like help. So I'm gonna slack pack, hopefully 16 miles today. But I was pretty hot yesterday. Yeah, well, right here by the road. Waiting on Patty, but today should be Pine Furnace, the campground that has the ice cream, half-gallon challenge. So that'd probably be my highlight of today. That's the trail I just came from. Just when you think, oh, it's getting better, I'm past the rocks. Well, you're not past the rocks. Oh, I gotta go up that way. All right. Just gotta deal with it. Okay. Something I've been waiting for a while. Pine Grove Furnace State Park. The ice cream challenge, half-gallon. Not sure where the trail goes all of a sudden. See some white blades right here. Don't look very traveled right there. I think I probably walk on this trail. Alright, so I'm getting close to the ice cream. Next video should be ice cream, I hope. Got water right beside me, but I still got a little water. I think I might drink it, because I'm sure this is going to be a campground. I'll be able to get water out of the spigot up here before long. Alrighty, I better check my gut hook slow and see where my trail is, just to be sure. Well, I think I see a white mark up here now. Yeah, I see some white marks. This is good. So this will be a little easier walking anyway. Well, I finally made it to the Pine Grove Furnace store, the half-gallon challenge, and I'm here with a bunch of southbounders.
Jukebox.
Wombi.
Pipes.
Upbeat.
Yeah, we're all working on our ice cream. You got to eat, what's this, is 1.5 quarts plus another pint. So I don't know, that might be lunch.
Might be.
It is. It is.
Well, my first ice cream was 1.5 quarts, so now I gotta get a pint, and it's fantastic vanilla. I think it's just vanilla, but different colors. So once I finish this, I'll have my half-gallon done. Well, just leaving the half-gallon challenge, the general store there. Just an update. There was let's see, myself, 1, 2, 3, and 4 other people. Jukebox and Pipes didn't finish their ice cream. But Wombat, myself, and Upbeat, we did. We got to sign the book. Got a little wooden spoon with the ice cream challenge thing stamped on it. But all right, I'm road walking to get to the trail here. Well, this is part of the trail on the road, but gotta get to the woods, I guess. About 1 o'clock. I'd say the ice cream took me about an hour and a half or so to eat. And I did get a steak and cheese wrap to go. I got it in my pack, so I'm gonna try to eat that as soon as I can before it goes bad. Pretty hot out today. But yeah, don't feel like eating anything right now. Well, this is the big spoon I get for eating my half-gallon of ice cream at the half-gallon challenge. It's just a little wooden spoon. That's your souvenir for eating a half-gallon. Just coming off the road, getting ready to go back in the woods. And nice little cabin. Nice to have something like that in the woods, wouldn't it? All right, here we go. There's the sign. Back into the woods. Oh, I'm staying at the Comfort Inn tonight. I'm not even sure what town it is. I'm gonna walk up here to McDonald's. If I can, still can't really see it when I zoom in. I'm gonna walk up there to McDonald's, get some chicken nuggets, sweet and sour sauce, maybe a couple iced teas. I ate my 2 sandwiches I got from Pine Grove Furnace. I ate one on the trail as I was walking, and I ate the other at the hotel, but I guess that was my lunch. That and a half-gallon ice cream. So now I'm going for supper. Alrighty, that'll probably be it for today. Oh, this is the big meal I got at McDonald's. 10-piece nugget, sweet sour sauce, apple pie, and cherry pie, whatever else they had. I wanted 2 sweet teas, but I got 2 root beers. The sweet tea tasted terrible. So I'll probably drink both of those and take a nap.